student and star athlete at Cov Cath, Jake Walter dominated the court. During his senior year there, he committed to play ball at Xavier, but never ended up enrolling. Today, the 18-year-old faced a different type of court. A courtroom. He's accused of raping and sodomizing an 18-year-old woman several times this past Sunday.
It did occur throughout the majority of the day, beginning in the morning hours and ending in the evening hours.
The facts of the case read in court today.
The victim reported that on 12/9/18 she was sick and told Walter she did not want to have sex. On 2 occasions during that day, Walter flipped the victim onto her stomach
and is accused of raping her
while holding her down and pulling her hair, resulting in injury with bleeding.
Investigators say Walter also choked her.
The victim was telling him to stop, that she didn't want to have sex, and that he was hurting her.
She told investigators she was fearful of the 7-foot-tall, 300-pound Walter because of his size, strength, and aggressiveness. Investigators say the girl told her mom, who then called the Boone County Sheriff's Department.
After he left, he reached out to her via text and via phone, apologizing and trying to reconnect with her after he had left.
A warrant was issued for Walter's arrest. His attorney says he's been cooperating.
As to risk of flight, Your Honor, when he found out about the charges yesterday, he was aware of the bond because I told him what the bond was. He chose to turn himself in.
And Xavier confirmed it's not holding Walter's scholarship, but we have not been able to confirm why. We're not been able to actually get answers as to why he ended up not enrolling at the university after signing a letter of intent. Numerous attempts to reach and get comment from his family were unsuccessful. Reporting live tonight in Boone County, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.